Investing in real estate can be a lucrative strategy for building wealth over time. To achieve success in real estate and work towards getting rich, it is essential to adopt a strategic approach and have a comprehensive understanding of the market. Here are key steps to consider. Firstly, it is crucial to educate yourself about the real estate market, various investment strategies, and the associated risks. Consider enrolling in real estate courses or reading materials authored by seasoned investors to enhance your knowledge. Secondly, establish clear financial goals that align with your objectives. Determine how real estate can help you accomplish these goals, whether it involves generating passive income, accruing equity, or diversifying your investment portfolio. Networking is paramount in real estate investing. Forge connections with fellow investors, real estate agents, lenders, and industry professionals to gain insights, discover opportunities, and cultivate relationships beneficial to your success. Begin with smaller property investments or consider a real estate investment trust, REIT, to gain experience and bolster your confidence. As you progress and expand your expertise, you can gradually increase the scale of your investments and diversify your portfolio. Thorough research and analysis of potential properties are indispensable. Consider factors such as market trends, property values, rental income potential, and local regulations. Analyze the financial aspects to ensure that the investment aligns with your goals and promises a positive return. Seek guidance from professionals such as real estate agents, financial advisors, or property managers to benefit from their expertise and avoid costly mistakes. By adhering to these steps and maintaining discipline in your approach, you can enhance your chances of achieving wealth through real estate over time.